This is a quick video on how to load your USB driver for Screenmaker software. If you go to download your screens to your DAK and you are grayed out, you do not have a USB connection, or it does not recognize your connection. If you open Device Manager from the Windows search bar, which I already have pulled up, and you plug your USB cable in, you should get a USB serial bus controller should come up. You can see mine appeared here. It's currently has the driver in. This is the correct driver you want to use. If your USB port comes up and you do not have the driver, you can right click, update driver, browse. You can go to C, program files x86, ASI controls, Screenmaker, drivers. Hit OK, next, and it shows mine is already loaded, but if you hit next, it'll update with this Neo HMI, which is located in that folder, and that's how you update your driver.